Well, it's about that time to wash the 4Runner, and this will be the first time after I've done the HyperDip, and you can check the video out. I'll put a link at the end. But this is the condition of the 4Runner right now, and it is filthy. So I don't have time to hand wash it. I'm going to run it through the car wash at Costco, and we're going to see how the HyperDip holds up. So you can see how dirty it is in the back here. I have the emblems done back. All the wheels done. This is all shadow black HyperDip, and front emblem and part of the face here. So let's run it through the car wash. We'll see what happens. Let's hope it holds up. All right, guys, here we go. HyperDip versus car wash. I'm gonna pull it in now. I did not go to the Costco car wash. We are at a different one right outside of Home Depot where I have to pick up supplies for a job. So let's see what happens. All right, once we pull through here and get everything washed up, we'll take a quick walk around and inspect if there's any damage. Well, guys, I got good news and bad news. Good news is HyperDip seemed to have held up very well through the car wash. I don't see any damage. Bad news is that car wash is absolutely horrible. That's the third time I've been through it. I keep telling myself I'm not going back through it again because it doesn't dry the car well, doesn't wash the car well. I have water spots, or dirt spots I should say, all over my hood still. And the wheels look horrible. Costco is infinitely better than this car wash for the exact same price. So, but HyperDip held up, and I'm good with that. So, didn't even get the dirt off the emblems on the back. So, all right, thanks guys.